How do you actually work when you work from home? A lot of you are very challenged to get stuff done at home, or you might even be super hard on yourself because you're not getting the kind of work done because you're homeschooling as well and you're taking care of a lot of things at home. And let's not forget the fear factor and the fear of the unknown, which comes with an event that none of us have ever gone through. My name is Beate Chalette. I'm the growth architect, founder of the Women's Code, and I'm going to give you a couple of my strategies to help you to maneuver this unknown territory. So, number one, please remind yourself this is something that none of us have ever experienced. So, there is no playbook for that. So, be gentle with yourself as you maneuver these uncharted waters and you are figuring out on how to make the best out of everything. So, be gentle, number one. Number two, I recommend when you wake up first thing in the morning, I know it's very easy to go to the phone, check all the messages and the news. And I encourage you to not do that because right now the news is so negative and there's so much division that if you start your day like that, there's a high probability that you're setting your mindset in a negative state, which I prefer you not to do. So think about, as you wake up. So what I do is I actually wake up and I can hear the birds, and they're so noisy that I'm now waking up at 6 o'clock instead of 7 every morning. And I remind myself how beautiful it is, how calm it is, and really work on setting my mindset in a positive energy for the day. Then I want you to consider how to schedule your entire day. So I'm looking at my notes, which my eyes are going there because I wrote this out for you. Um, you schedule it out by ideally turning off all social media notifications on your computer and on your phone because that constant pinging is attention grabbing and you do not need that. You can check your social media, but give yourself like 2 times or 3 times or maybe 1 time a day where you actually do that and then be done with that because right now it's a bottomless hole of conspiracies and just unbelievable stupidity that you do not need to expose yourself to. Then use productivity tools. So there's a lot of great tools out there. So I work in Asana. Um, Basecamp is great. Trello is great. Slack, Microsoft Teams. So there's a lot of these productivity tools, of which some are free, some are very affordable, that will help you to get your day organized and get it out of your head and get it on paper. Then I want you to schedule 60 to 90-minute increments in which you're going to get work done. So when you have these increments, set a timer, so you can set it on Alexa or Google, or you set it on your phone, and then you'll be notified when this time is up. So try to get that concentrated period of time where you actually get stuff done. Then when that time frame is up, get up, move around, go outside, go to the balcony, open the window, do 5 jumping jacks, do things that are, giving your brain a little bit of a break. If you have children, obviously you need to check on your children, on the homeschooling and all the other things that you are now required to do. Take a real lunch. So if you're at home with other people, take a real lunch, make a home cooked meal because now you actually can, and then step away from your workplace and enjoy that. Make sure you have mental support. So call your mom, call your friends, schedule these times to connect with everybody because you need that to function. Remember, people do the best they can with what they've got. There is no playbook for this. We are all making this up as we go. As I'm recording this, I have people in my house because I was caught by COVID in the middle of a remodel. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I try to have the sound suppressed on a sound suppression software on my video, on my audio, so you can hear it. But if you do, that's just real life. I'm still trying to get stuff done, even while my whole house is, upside down and torn apart. So be gentle to yourself. You can do this. Thank you for watching.